Baby girl, I want to promise you one thing. Before the end of this video, you're going to know truly if he loved you or if he was actually wasting your time. You might be like, hey, does it really matter now that he's gone? But since you're watching this video, something tells me that it still matters to you. And without wasting your time, let me get into it. So if he really loved you, he would have done these 3 things that I'm about to tell you. The first thing is he would have protected you emotionally. There's one thing that most women don't understand when it comes to men. Love doesn't come from constant apologies. Yes, he does this and that, and he's always saying, I'm sorry, apologizing, and feel like, oh my God, he actually cares, he actually loves me. That is not love. Love comes from prevention. He has to make sure that he actually prevents anything or majority of the things that are hurting you emotionally. You have to understand this very carefully. Someone who loves you, they don't repeatedly put you in survival mode. And you have to understand this as well. Emotional safety is not something extra. It's actually the bare minimum. It's foundational. So in most cases, some women normalize emotional cares and they think maybe it's love. You know, the same thing we see in the movies, but it's actually not. So point number 2 is, and this is really important, he would have made you feel chosen even during conflicts. Pretty simple. Love doesn't disappear or even diminish when things get uncomfortable. That's actually when you need to show each other more love and more understanding. Avoidance during conflict simply equals to low emotional capacity. He might avoid very important conversations because he can't handle that. But some men intentionally uses the avoidant style to control the outcome of the conversation. Silence in this case is pretty much a choice. So I want you to ask yourself this one question. Was he trying to protect you every time you guys were in conflict? Was he trying to put your emotional safety at the top of the priority? Was he doing anything to make sure that you feel protected emotionally in a conversation? If he said slurs or used a manipulative way emotionally to withdraw his attention when you need it the most. If you ran away every time you wanted to pour your heart out so that he understands and feels your pain, then, my sister, your emotional safety wasn't at the top of his list of priorities. Point number 3, he would have matched your efforts without you having to beg for it. You have to understand that true love doesn't really need convincing. Over-explaining is a trauma response, not communication. If consistency only comes after ultimatums, then my sister, that is not love. So I want to remind you that no, you did not ask for too much. You actually asked for bare minimum. All you wanted was him to walk and actually meet you in between. So finally, baby girl, if what I said was accurate or kind of relates to your situation, let me know in the comment section. And I also want to remind you that sometimes there's circumstances and other situations that might play behind all this. So this is not factual, but it's actually signs that are accurate most of the times. If this feels unbearable to you and your heart is heavy, baby girl, I want to invite you working with me for the next 30 days in your healing, and I promise you that you'll feel way better after 30 days working with me. The link is going to be in the bio. You can apply, you can book a call with me, and we're going to discuss what we can do next together. And if you're actually wondering whether he regrets losing you, this next video is going to show you 3 signs that will reveal to you if he actually regrets losing you. And finally, if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.